I got link and some 40 in my red car. Bitches change, yeah, I like I ain't all this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided I wanted to try out the Bratz challenge because I've seen it all over Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And like, I've been a huge Bratz fan since I was like little, of course. Like, who didn't have a Bratz doll when they were little? So yeah, I was really intrigued with the challenge, so I wanted to try it out myself. And to be honest, it was you know, kind of hard because apparently there's not many Bratz with highlights. As you guys know, I have highlights, and like, it was hard for me to look for a like Bratz who had highlights and was like my skin color and brown eyes, you know. So I found one, which I'm gonna put the picture right here so you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna be recreating that doll. And yeah guys, just before we go and start with the video, I just want to say, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go click the red button down below. If you like this video, give me a like. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Tell me what would you like to watch on my next video. So if you want to see how I go from this to this, then just keep on watching. So I tried my best to recreate like kind of a Bratz doll eyebrows, because you guys know they have really arched eyebrows, and I know theirs are like really thin, but like I feel like I don't like the thin eyebrow look, you know. So I just did like my normal eyebrow thing, but just a little bit more arch. And I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. I don't think you guys are able to see the sticker because my phone doesn't focus. Anyways, yeah, I used that. And then to curve my eyebrows, I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Medium Beige. So I use that, and also I use it to prime my eyelids. And then to set my eyelids, I use the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette Duo in Dulce de Leche. I use, of course, this shade right here. So I can see that she has all over the eyelid, it's just brown, and then on her crease, and then on her crease, she's wearing like a shimmery color, or I don't know if it's the lighting making it shiny, but she's wearing like some kind of like light brown color on the crease. And then she has some eyeliner, and then she has that little purple liner. But the thing is that like the purple liner is inside the eye of the doll, so like I don't know how that works. I don't know how I'm gonna make it work on my eyes, right? But we'll see. Oh, by the way guys, you can see that she has the two little moles on her cheeks, and I actually have them too. I have one here, and then the other one is right here. So guys, maybe I was born to be this doll, because like I don't even know her name, but yeah. So anyways, yeah, so let's start with the eyes. So of course I'm gonna grab my Salvaje palette from the ColourPop and Make It You collection, because this is literally my holy grail palette, and I've been using it non-stop. So I'm gonna first take the color Caramelo, this one, and that's what I'm gonna put all over my crease. So let's do that. I'm gonna be grabbing that color with the Morphe M441. It's just a really fluffy brush, and it's a little dirty guys, but like don't mind it. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack on the color Caramelo, and I'm gonna put it all over my crease. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna be doing one eye on camera just to not make this video super long, because I tend to make the video super long. So yeah, let's just gonna do one eye on camera.
Show the whole world what we're
Okay, so that's how it's looking so far. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So now that I have both eyes done, I'm gonna apply the dark color, which is cafecito, this one right here, and I'm gonna apply it with a random brush that I got from Wish. It's just a really fluffy brush, so I'm gonna use this brush just to pack on the color. Now I'm taking the Morphe M514 just to blend out the two colors so it doesn't look really like harsh.
Show the whole world what we're all about. Be the girls with a passion for fashion.
So this is how everything is looking so far. It pretty much is like a brown smoky eye in my opinion. So now I'm gonna so what I'm gonna do, because I don't have like a purple eyeliner, what I'm gonna do is that I have this little purple glitter liquid liner that I got from Wish, which looks like this. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually do my eyeliner in black liner, and then I'm gonna put this liquid liner, this liquid glitter on top of it, because I tried putting my black liner and then putting like a purple eyeshadow on top of it and it doesn't show. So I'm gonna try this and see if it works. So yeah, let me go do that and I'll be right back to actually try it on my eye. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the NYX matte liquid liner. So I'm gonna be super close to my mirror, so sorry if you guys don't see what I'm trying to do, but okay, so here is the first eye done, and let me tell you guys, it took a lot of like patience, and I was like really doing it really slowly because you guys know that I don't wear liner as much as I used to, especially my high school years. Oh my god, I used to wear eyeliner like every single day of my life in high school, and since I graduated, like I don't really wear it anymore. So yeah, it was kind of like, you know, a little pressure, especially when I see the camera recording. So yeah, I'm gonna do this with the other eye. Okay, so this is how my eyes are looking so far. So now I'm just waiting for the eyeliner to dry a little bit so I can add the liquid glitter, and then and I'm just gonna be adding it on like the line right here, and I'm gonna do it on the wing, and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how the liner is looking, and I know without lashes it looks really weird, but you guys know like lashes fix everything, so hopefully that's gonna be the case. Okay, so I'm just gonna add some highlight to my brow, and I'm taking the Estrella, I just blinked. Yep. So now I'm gonna add some highlight to my brows, and I'm gonna take the Estrella shade right here with this e.l.f. concealer brush. So I'm gonna do that. So for the lashes, I'm gonna be wearing these ones, and these ones are also from Wish, and I don't really know the name of it, but I show them on my Wish haul, which I'm gonna link right here. And if you want to know the name of the packaging, because I really don't remember, but it comes with like it comes in like a little box with like 5 pairs of lashes for like $3. So go check that video so you can get some of these lashes because I love them. So this is how they look like. So I'm gonna be wearing those. So I have my base makeup already done. So I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer. And then I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And then to set everything... Oh, and I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Medium Beige. You guys know I love Wet n Wild. And then to set everything, I use a Too Faced Born This Way loose powder. So now I'm gonna be adding some blush, and the Bratz doll is wearing like some kind of peachy natural blush. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Mellow Wine because I think it looks exactly like her blush. So this is the one that I'm gonna use. There you go. And it doesn't look like she's wearing any bronzer, so I'm not gonna wear any bronzer. Then she has her mouth, so I have mine, but they got a little bit covered by my foundation, so I'm gonna make them darker with my Anastasia pomade. And then I'm gonna use the back of this brush that I use. I'm gonna get some products, and I'm just gonna make darker my
Everybody now, time to show the whole world what we're all about. We the girls with a passion for fashion. Bratz will always be there.
Let me just pat it down a little bit because they look super dark.
Together we can do anything. Got a plan, a dream, take a chance and believe, make it real.
There you go. I think that looks fine, right? So I have this one and this one. Okay, so now I'm gonna be moving on to my bottom lash line, and for that I'm using the same color, Cafecito, with the same Morphe M514. I'm gonna take some and I'm gonna put it. Now I'm gonna add some mascara to my lower lashes. And now I'm using the Essence Fall Lashes Mascara in Extreme Volume and Curl.
Everybody now, time to show the whole world what we're all about. We the girls with a passion for fashion.
Now I'm gonna add some liner, and the one that I'm using is the Too Faced Perfect Eyes Waterproof Eyeliner in Extreme Black. So I'm gonna use that along my waterline. Okay, so the last step is the lips, and she is wearing a lip liner, right? and it's like a orangey darkish color. So to line my lips, I'm gonna use the Kylie Cosmetics Kristen lip liner. Sorry guys, my camera cut off right when I was doing my lips, so I'm sorry about that. But I used the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Kristen, this color, and then on top I used the Wet n Wild Baritol lipstick, and these two make the perfect combo, by the way. Obsessed. So yeah, this is pretty much the makeup that she's wearing. I'll put the picture again. So now I'm just gonna do my hair and I'll come back so you guys can see the actual finish look. And yeah guys, I'll be right back. So guys, this is my hair all done, and I changed shirts and I put on some earrings. And I know I don't have the same exact clothes, but I tried my best to recreate it. So yeah, this is what I did to my hair. So I have it in a half down, half up, little ponytail type of style, hairstyle, I don't know. And then right here I have this little thing that reminds me of Jasmine's little braid that she has. You know what I'm talking about? So, and then I just have my hair like this way. I don't know how to explain that, but you know, it looks like that. And yeah, I already had my hair curled, so I didn't need to do anything to it. So this is how I look like. So tell me guys, do you guys think I nailed this challenge? Do I look like a Bratz doll? So yeah, that's all I have to say and show you guys. So a quick reminder, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also guys, tell me in the comments down below if you think that I nailed the challenge, if I look like a Bratz doll. You know, tell me. I wanna know you guys' opinions. And yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.